a smile, leather and rain. His handbook is brittle, his whistle a bone. Says strap in, young driver, you're never alone. Clock strikes the 13th, the mirror grows thin, a shadow of teeth where the chin should have been. Once a year he becomes what the mortals dread. Leathered hands on the wheel, eyes burning red. He teaches the dead how to learn and obey, a driving instructor turned demon for a day. Taillights like lanterns that flicker and moan. He points to the crosswalk where nobody's known. Signals that whisper in language of brine, left at the graveyard, keep cadence with time. Steam from the radiator spells names in the air. He hums all the rules with a rasping prayer. Once a year he becomes what the mortals dread. Leathered hands on the wheel, eyes burning red. He teaches the dead how to learn and obey, a driving instructor turned demon for a day. Once a year he becomes what the mortals dread. Leathered hands on the wheel, eyes burning red. He teaches the dead how to learn and obey, a driving instructor turned demon for a day. Clutch the clutch of the coffin, floor down the fear. Break for the banshees that wail in your ear. Reverse through the moonlight, no need for a plea. The lessons in hushes and perfect decree. He marks on your license a sigil in an ash, grants you the right to glide past the crash. If you start on the overpass, never scream, never sway. Keep steady, my pupil, keep shadows at bay. The radio crackles with lullabies soar. His grin is a map to a locked ghostly door. Once a year he becomes what the mortals dread. Leathered hands on the wheel, eyes burning red. He teaches the dead how to learn and obey, a driving instructor turned demon for a day. Once a year he becomes what the mortals dread. Leathered hands on the wheel, eyes burning red. He teaches the dead how to learn and obey, a driving instructor turned demon for a day. The pavement and the ember eyes fade. He folds up his handbook and hides the blade. You'll pass with a nod, you'll glide past the fray, but remember his lesson